Did you know that about 10 years ago, Google Chrome had a Metro mode for the then new Windows 8? And that's what we're going to explore in this video. The website oldversion.com has archived old releases of Google Chrome. The Windows 8 mode was removed from the browser in version 49, and I will download release 46. The web installer downloads the most recent version, but this is Chrome for Enterprise, which is an MSI package for offline distribution. I've already downloaded the installer, so let's get Chrome running here. Chrome is done installing. Now, for the Metro mode to work, you have to set Chrome as the default browser. This is similar to the Internet Explorer Metro mode, which disregards your viewing preference and always opens as a desktop app whenever IE is not set as default. Prior to making this video, I didn't know that, which is the reason I didn't switch to Chrome immediately after installing it. Okay, let's not sign in. To activate the Windows 8 mode, simply open the hamburger menu in the top right corner. So, this is the Metro mode. While Chrome itself is relatively unchanged, the surroundings are radically different. Google wanted Windows users to try out chromeOS and provided a simple environment with a dedicated Windows system for that purpose. The Start menu shows you pinned links as well as the taskbar. The defaults are Gmail, the Google search, Docs, and YouTube. There is also a separate sound applet. It seems the Windows 8 mode also has its dedicated settings different from the browser, which open in a new window. As far as I can tell, App Launcher is the name of this environment. At that time, the first web apps were born, and Google wanted to incorporate this idea into its App Launcher, despite the fact that YouTube, Docs, and other pinned websites open in the Chrome browser itself, as you can see. They also have their dedicated icons on the taskbar, but it doesn't always register when they are opened. An interesting feature of the taskbar, or the shelf, is its ability to move to the left and right. Windows 11. Also, this Chrome browser appears to have some pre-installed extensions for these pinned apps, probably to work with the shelf. Now it's time to see whether this Metro mode and App Launcher will work in Windows 11. In this Windows sandbox, I've installed the same version of Chrome which was on the Windows 8.1 system. And as soon as I open the menu, you can see the Windows 8 mode option is unavailable. This is because the Windows 8 Metro mode only works on Windows 8 and 8.1 systems. But let's try setting Chrome to run in compatibility mode for Windows 8. This will probably make the menu option appear. I will right-click on the shortcut to open Properties and then go to the Compatibility tab. When I set compatibility mode, Chrome will detect that it is running on Windows 8 and the Metro mode option will become available in the menu. It is available, but it needs me to set Chrome as the default browser, which Windows 11 won't readily allow me to do. Let's fast forward this. Opening Chrome again, we can verify it is the default browser now, so it's time to try relaunching it in the Metro mode. And it relaunches, but not in Metro mode. Off camera, I tried setting other program files to run in Windows 8 compatibility mode, but it seems Windows 11 and Windows 8 are too different, and the Chrome Metro mode doesn't work on any other system. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you again.